Hi, I'm Shelley Wood and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a raglan-sleeved t-shirt for ever after high male dolls like Hunter Huntsman and similar sized dolls. Before we begin, please go to my website shelleywood.com to download this free PDF sewing pattern. Use the pattern to cut out all the pieces shown. Sew one of the sleeves to one of the backs. Sew the shirt front to the other side of the sleeve. Attach the second sleeve to the shirt front. Attach the other back to the second shirt sleeve. Use a double fold hem at the ends of both sleeves as shown in this video clip. Now, I realize that in the pictures of Hunter Huntsman it's blue and here it's red, but don't worry, you make both versions exactly the same way. Hem both sleeves. Now I used a double fold hem with a whip stitch. Fold sleeves in half, sew from sleeve hem to underarm and then from the underarm to the shirt's base. Do that with both sides of the garment and now you're ready to begin hemming all around. Use a double fold hem again. Hem the back closure all along the base and up the other back closure. Invert the garment like you see me doing right here. Sometimes I use a chopstick to help me poke out the sleeves. Sew the bias style collar to the front of the shirt. It should look like this from the front. Double fold the collar and whip stitch it to the inside of the shirt. So I like to fold this part inside and then I do one fold and then two folds. And this can be a little tricky, but a whip stitch will hold it in place. If you need help with the whip stitch, I do have a tutorial for that. Add some snaps to the back and you're ready to try it on your doll. For more free printable PDF sewing patterns for dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website shelleywood.com. Before you go, hang on a second, I want to tell you about something. I've been asked, how do you get so much stuff done? I use a sewing planner to help me achieve my goals. If you look in the description below this video on YouTube, you'll find a link to my Etsy store, where I'm offering an editable version of my one-page simple sewing planner for you to download to your phone or computer. Just type your goals into the text boxes, print it out, and pin it on your sewing room wall. That's actually what I do as well. Set your New Year's resolutions that you can achieve and make changes to your planner as your goals are met. Well, I hope you'll consider it. Thanks for sticking around to the end.